So this will be my campsite for tonight. I have never been to this place before. Someone left a kettle. Cooking rice in a frying pan for the first time. Yeah, I know. While the rice is cooking, I should make my bed, I guess. It was stupid, but the rice is cooking, so it works. The bed has been made, all the unnecessary stuff packed away. Now we can focus on dinner. I nearly burned the rice, but I think it's okay. It seems ready. Okay, let's talk about anxiety. Everything seems like you're so brave doing it solo, going everywhere you want, camping in the forest at night. But the reality is there's the underlying fear of being alone in the woods at night. And other irrational fears that keep me worried, and even though I'm pretty tired all day, I'm sure that I will have these anxiety jitters that will keep me awake. But good thing the nights are pretty short, so in 7 hours or something it will be bright again. I know I have done this many times, but still the first night is always the scariest one. It's like starting all over again and again. So this is my campsite. Pretty cool bridge. And this one. Oh, there's a cook. Okay. I chose this spot near the water. There's another spot. There's the toilet over there, changing room. And you can really access the place. Just a small parking lot over here. Little sandy spot. And the way back out. This is weird. I mean, me talking into this camera thing for the first time. But I know that nobody is watching, so why not? I can just pretend that no one sees this. And if they do, oh well. Maybe then I can overcome this fear. I'm all dressed up, you can't see me. Well, it's getting dark, so I will try to sleep and maybe see you in the morning. Well, I guess it's a good morning. I decided not to wait for my alarm clock. Despite all the layers. Well, I was cozy and warm. I'm going to make myself some coffee, but probably warm up on the drive to the trailhead. It's kind of cold. Made it to the starting point of my hike. Here, going to walk this road backwards because I already walked a similar trail last year, starting here. Okay, what time is it? 9:36. Let's go. Feels like coming to a fairy tale. It's the tree stump of Lithuanian children author Anzelmas Matutis. Wow. Imagine having this place for yourself, for your writing. It's so cool. Looks like a mountain hill here. And now I'm trying to get lost in the actual woods. The best part is when you make it out of the main roads to the forest paths, like this one, right in the middle of the most beautiful places. Look at that. Wow. Okay. This is gorgeous. No way. No way. This is amazing in person. Seriously? What? Can you tell why I love this region so much? Look at it. And the sun is out again. Oh, it's so beautiful. I guess I'm looking for a path down here. Apparently. Is this it? Should we just go? Well, I found it. But what the heck? So weird. Made it halfway to Zervynos. Now I'll be heading back. I'm just walking, trying not to think about what hurts and just keep on moving. Eventually I will get there. The sun's shining and it's not hot, so the mood is good. I wish I could share this with you, the scent of pines in the sun. I have been walking for so long, just counting steps now. It's crazy. There's a village, I think. I have at least 8 more kilometers to go. Great! That's basically home run for me. Yeah, limping. Hopefully my last rest stop. I'm so glad I decided to go home tonight and get one night of proper sleep and stretch my legs tomorrow doing nothing. That's a good idea after all this walking. You know, when you work in a job on your feet all day and walk 10k steps every day, 28 kilometers is a bit too much on next level. So why did I go this long hike, on this long hike? To find myself? Yeah, I found pain in myself, a lot of it. Strangely enough, I did not spend time thinking about any of my issues. No psychological session this time. Those problems are big, but why am I not thinking about it? Literally not finding myself. This is what I should be doing on over 6 hours of hike. But no, I barely even listened to the music in my head. No, I was too much focused on my pain and how tired I am. And I realized that my halfway, which was 14 kilometers, was my maximum. Only 2 more kilometers left to go. 2 more. That means I walked 26 already, and that's my last year's limit. So now I'm just pushing 2 more. Just 2 more. Okay? That's a lot. I'm just walking like that. I listened to music for the past 20 minutes or something to keep me focused on something else. So I managed to get all this way. Only 10 minutes left. Holy cow, what? So soon. Yes. Started at 9:36 and came back at 17:16. That's nearly a full day's work. Okay, take out the lunch. That's a full day's work. Oh my god. And it started raining just in time. Great, now we can go home. Definitely not stopping. Campsite. Look at that. Okay, let's go home. Wow.